29, De La Cruz, sunod ang blue. De La Cruz again, pass to Pastrana, cuts and shield, 3 points! Pastrana, second deadlock of the ball game, 39 all. Number 29, qualified basket, and we have a foul committed on number 1. Number 25 has the 9, Mulak Tay Nabi. Number 26, Cruz, pass to number 29. Carlos De La Cruz is stopping back with the 17th line, Nabi. Pass to number 8, putting from number 15 to number 26, Carlos again. Putting us Garcia on the put back at 2. By Garcia, change the favor. 41, 39, 55 seconds on the game clock. Running down, 2 points by number 25. Number 23, Radan, that is Lisa Laun. Full of change by Garcia again, number 29, 40 seconds. Number 29, side step, lays up, 2 points by number 29. Another change to Primo, 30 seconds, Pastrana, 1 girl. Number 10. There's a crucial foul to the number